Good morning, guys. Alexander from SHYSKY, the professional micro-brushless DC pump manufacturer and vendor. Yes, this is our DC60E-24120S-1 model. This pump, let's take a look at the general electrical parameters. The rated voltage 24 volts DC. The rated power consumption is about 120 watts. The max static lift can be up to 12 meters and the max horizontal flow rate can be up to 3,800 liters per hour. So it is with quite good feature of the comprehensive performance of both lift and also flow rate value. Yes. This pump. Let's take a closer look. This is inlet, this is outlet, both are half-inch threaded with external diameter about 2 centimeters, right? Outlet, inlet, horizontal, vertical outwards. This pump is in a robust design. We can feel it. And coming from this base, coming from the tail side. We take a look. This is a waterproof, removable connector. Convenience for us to do some replacement when need in the future. Yeah, it happens. And this is the control box part. The control box part is deemed as the brain part to the whole pumping system. Why? Because the main control and also the protect circuit are integrated with it. Yeah, it's the brain part to the whole pumping system, not a power supply. This is the DC head connector. Essentially, if we cut it off violently, there will be two sub-cables within. One is positive, the other is negative. DC 24 volts powering, like the solar panel, AC/DC power adapter, etc. Okay. This pump is equipped with the dry run protection mechanism. Namely, when the pump dry run without or with insufficient water inflow, it's automatically triggering the dry run protection, and the pump will access the run for a while and then stop run and stop this cycle to greatly reduce the physical friction, the possible physical damage, and also the heat generation in this abnormal scenario. Yeah. When the water flow comes sufficiently again, the pump will normally run at a high speed once again. So it's a good protection. This is one. Another feature of this pump is that this pump is designed with the constant power performance when the powering voltage happens to be over voltage. For example, 28 volts DC, but still within certain reasonable range, less than 30 volts. Regarding this pump, yeah. The power consumption amount between the 24 volts and the 28 volts DC, this range, the pump will be with almost the equivalent power, namely 120 watts. Yeah, it's a good feature to some varying power level, power voltage situation, or sometimes abnormal scenario. Yeah, happens to our power supply. Okay. In brief, this pump is in brushless DC design supporting the long-term continuous running in normal working scenario. Yes, with good pumping performance and with good noise class, no noise. So if anyone is interested in this half-inch threaded pulse micro brushless DC pump or our series, contact us about more details.